Well, let's dive into PIKA AI's features. As you can see here, we have all of them. PIKA Twist, selfies, PIKA frames, PIKA swaps, and more. I'll now go through each one. Then there's the Write Me a Story section, which directly creates a video from a story. Below, you'll find all the different sections you see up top. This is like a gallery of community creations, and below that is where you can create your own. First, we have PIKA Twist, which lets you change something in an image, and it does it. Here, for example, it was asked to turn the head into a flying red ball. That's it, simple as that. In this other one, it was asked to make the astronaut turn towards the camera, stuff like that. Then there's PIKA Self, or selfies, where you can take a selfie and modify it. As you can see, everyone here has created these with their supposed youth. Then there's PIKA Frame, which I think is one of the most impressive ones. Here you can really make beautiful detailed things with video. Look at this piece of craziness. Wow, that bullet transition. This is unbelievable. This one's insane. Then there's PIKA Swaps, for putting things into images. For example, here the girl has put on glasses. This is truly incredible, I must say. It looks super good. At first, I didn't even understand what was happening. PIKA Editions lets you add realistic elements based on video movement. So they've added a Gilmore to Alien, then PIKA Scenes, where you input a prompt for a scene. Finally, PIKA FX for effects like Turn Me Into This. Look, here's Maribel, here's Epic Games. I've got the volume turned way up. Anyway, these are the options and what each of them does. Below, you can use them and adjust advanced setting. For example, here's where you set the video resolution, add a negative prompt which excludes what you don't want. The sheet is where the video generation starts. Starting at sheet 1 is different from sheet 1 million. Always starting at sheet 1 with the same prompt gives the same video, but sheet 1 million gives a different video even with the same prompt. Then there's aspect ratio, which depends on what you need. Maybe you want this for YouTube or to mess around, whatever. You can make it for YouTube, cinema, Twitter, Instagram, anything. So that's the PK Dev tool and its features. Let's see how we can easily generate videos from a simple prompt to create our first videos just by inputting text. For this, you should use PK Sense. Here, you basically give it a prompt. For example, Jesus reading a Bible. Then you just click on PK Sense below. As you can see, it's a paid service, but in PK Sense, you can write any story you want. You can get results like this. This one's a bit odd with the dog's hand, but this one is pretty good, really quite good. A solid result. This one's a bit stranger, but still good. The Jesus one is incredibly well done. I mean, it looks amazing. So this is what you can achieve, and that's how you can generate your videos with PIKA AI.